We are living in an instant world made of micro moments. We can do a lot of things at the same time because of everything that's at the disposal of our fingertips. Our attention span is shorter, and we take unscripted, non-linear paths to purchase. This leads to a fundamental shift in consumer behavior as well. Mobile has fractured the consumer journey into hundreds of real-time, intent-driven moments. In those I want to buy, I want to go, I want to do moments, we care about satisfying our need above all else. All of those factors represent a huge opportunity to connect with consumers instantly. In the early days, the internet was all about search. Search engines were born to facilitate user search through its infinite and standardized offerings. But the world of social media completely changed that perspective to a more user-centric one. User data collection and algorithms introduced a whole new concept of suggestion and personalization. Thanks to the large number of users and the consequent ease of audience targeting, from that moment, each user started to see their own version of the same platform. That resulted in brands and advertisers being able to reach exactly the perfect potential customer, optimizing the advertising budget. That's how and why digital advertising kicked in the social media scene, changing the rules of marketing and giving users assistance in their choices anywhere and anytime thanks to the mobile-first experience. If you want to be seen in the crowded space of social media, paid ads will help your business stand out. They are meant to leverage promoted posts and reach specific customers using target audiences. They will be labeled with sponsored or advertisement by the social media platform. There are two specific types of paid ads. The two most effective advertising format for small businesses are: drive-to-store advertising includes any campaign with the direct intention of increasing customer traffic to stores on top of the organic one. It can be driven by localized Instagram or Facebook ads and couponing. The same thing happens with drive-to-e-commerce advertising, but leading customers with your content directly to the shopping cart. Instagram has really improved this in the last few years to make this step quicker and easier. You can set up ads through stories, photos, videos, carousels, and collection ads. Each option is integrated naturally into the user feeds and stories. Advertising on social media gives your brand instant visibility. Paid ads are guaranteed a place in the user's feed, despite the noise of the larger social platform. This gives you a direct window to drive leads, website traffic, and sales. Not only that, but you can also retarget on social media the people who already interacted with your social profiles or visited your website. Paid social media advertising is a cost-effective way to promote your business. Each platform uses the pay-per-click payment model. This means that you pay only if the user takes the action you want. There can also be a pay-per-impression model, which counts the number of times a digital ad is viewed by visitors. While your ad might only receive 5 clicks in one day, it's likely to have impressions in the thousands for the same time period. The penetration of social media advertising is unparalleled. According to Pew Research, 80% of the time spent on social media is spent on a mobile device. When users want to find, know, or purchase, a social media advertising campaign will help you reach your audience in that moment. Not only that, according to a Facebook study, a normal Instagram user checks their feed more than 15 times a day, while we have our mobile phone in our hands more than 200 times a day. There's no media we use more during our day. We are living in an instant world made of micro moments. Social media introduced a new concept of suggestion and personalization, becoming the biggest hub for digital advertising. Paid ads can reach specific targets and drive them to your store or e-commerce. three main reasons to invest on advertising are visibility, cost effectiveness, and penetration.